In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert word art in Microsoft PowerPoint 2025. Whether you're jazzing up a slide for a school project or adding some flair to a professional presentation, word art can be a great tool to make your text stand out. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open up the Microsoft PowerPoint app. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's worth noting that being in the correct version can impact what features you have available. Once you've got PowerPoint open, you'll be greeted by a selection of recent presentations or the option to create a new one. For today's demonstration, go ahead and open up an existing presentation. If you don't have one ready, feel free to create a blank presentation to play around with. Next, with your presentation open, you'll want to turn your attention to the top menu. Look for the Insert tab nestled among other options. The Insert tab is your go-to spot for adding new elements to your slides, from images and shapes to, yes, our focus today, word art. After clicking on Insert, a new menu of options will appear. It's quite the treasure trove, but don't be overwhelmed. You're specifically going to look for the word art option, which is usually accompanied by a flamboyant A icon. Clicking this will open up a variety of word art styles for you to choose from. Each style has a different flair. Some are bold and impactful, others more subtle and elegant. This is your opportunity to express your creativity, so take a moment to explore the different options offered. Feel free to hover over each one to see how your selected text might appear once applied. Now that you've selected a style, simply click it. A text box will automatically appear on your slide, prompting you to edit it with your desired text. Click inside the text box and type away. You'll notice that the word art style is automatically applied, giving your text that special touch with minimal effort. Remember, word art isn't set in stone. You can move the text box anywhere on the slide, resize it by dragging the corners, or even rotate it for a dynamic tilt. If at any point you feel like switching things up, you can easily return to the Insert tab and select a different word art style. Your text will update accordingly. There you have it. You've successfully added word art to your PowerPoint presentation. With just a few clicks, a plain slide can transform into something eye-catching and engaging. Now that you've got the hang of it, feel free to play around and find the perfect style to match the theme and tone of your presentation. Thank you for joining me today, and happy creating.